Can a modern Casio really replace the legendary A168? Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. First, design and materials. Both watches use a resin inner case with a chrome finish outside. The front side is protected with resin crystals. Both also use stainless steel bracelets, and both keep that classic silver digital Casio look. The finish quality on both is nice, so honestly, there is no clear winner here. Now, bracelet quality. Both bracelets use folded links, so neither feels like a luxury watch. But the APL 100 bracelet is better. It feels more solid, the links feel more precise, there is less rattling movement, small details are also cleaner. So in bracelet quality, the APL 100 takes the win. Next, size and wrist presence. The APL 100 is slightly larger and broader at about 38mm wide. The A168 is better for small wrist at 36.3mm wide. The APL 100 works better for medium wrist. And the screen has slightly more presence, so this one depends on your wrist size. Small wrist maybe A168, medium wrist maybe APL 100. Now, display and legibility. The A168 is still quite strong here. It has crisp, classic digits although with a slightly darker background, typical of EL backlight displays. It is very easy to read with a quick glance, thanks to its simple layout and information display. On the other side, the APL 100 gives you more screen information. It has a brighter background, boosting the contrast, but the digits are slightly smaller. The viewing angle can also be weaker in some direct positions. The winner here is the A168, but by a small margin. Next, backlight. The A168 uses the famous EL backlight. It lights the full screen evenly. It still feels special. The APL 100, on the other side, uses LED light. It is practical, it works well, but it does not have the same charm. So the winner here is A168. Now, features. This is where the APL 100 moves far ahead. The A168 gives you the basics: time, alarm, stopwatch, simple daily watch functions. On the other side, the APL 100 gives much more: Bluetooth synchronization, step tracker, 5 alarms, countdown timer, auto time adjustment, phone finder, and more modern convenience. So if features matter most, the APL 100 wins easily. Next, battery life. Both use a CR2016 battery, but battery life is very different. The A168 gives around 7 years, the APL 100 gives around 2 years. Not as power hungry as some politicians, I mean any smartwatch, but extra features always have a price. So while the APL 100 is smarter, the A168 is more effortless. The winner here is A168. Speaking of toughness, both have a similar basic water resistance level. Good for splashes, but not for swimming. The cases are also made from resin, meaning they may get dents and scratches over time. And the crystals are resin or acrylic, more shatter resistant, but more prone to scratches. So basically, they are the same level. Setting and operation. The A168 is very simple. If you are familiar with the F91W or other digital watches, this one is easy to use. On the other hand, the APL 100 has many more features. You can still set most of the functions without pairing. However, you need to pair it with smartphone to use its full potential, including time synchronization, step tracking records, and phone finder. For me, if you mostly use basic functions, the simplicity of the A168 is better. Now, price. The A168 is usually much cheaper. It is around $30 for the basic model, and the APL 100 can cost 2 or even 3 times more depending on region. If you only need time and alarm and stopwatch, the A168 is better value. If you want more features, the APL 100 may be worth it. In summary, buy the A168 if you want classic style, better light, easy reading, long battery life, and more friendly price. Buy the APL 100 if you want retro style with step tracking, a better bracelet, bigger fit, Bluetooth, and more features. So, can a modern Casio really replace the legendary A168? For features, yes. For charm and simplicity, not yet. I have owned the ABL 100 for a year now, but as much as I like the ABL 100 and all its features, the A168 still gets more wrist time. That's all for this video. Which one do you think you would like more? Feel free to have different preferences. Thank you for watching and have a great day.